Hmm?
Charging up between 25 watts.
Well, what's this?
This is a new solar panel we got. It's pretty neat, actually. So we got a little 40-watt panel, and this is going to help trickle charge some of our little packs for us. It's actually going to be pretty versatile for the property. We'll be able to use it on many different applications. I'm pretty excited to have another piece of solar to add to the system, another panel, another way to charge batteries, and portable power packs for us. Just kind of pulling out of the box and testing out for the first time, and pretty pleasantly surprised. Pretty neat. So we got 26 watts coming in. We got 86% battery right now in the EcoFlow power station, but it's charging at 26 watts, and it'll take 2 hours for us to top this off. Right now we're not using it, so to just set it out, hook up our little 40-watt panel, charges in 2 hours instead of using up charging spot in our solar setup in the solar shed. I can just set this out here, go about my day, come back in 2 hours, 3 hours, and the pack will be 100% charged for us. And then when I need it later this evening to run appliances at night, it'll be all ready to go. It's an ETFE monocrystalline solar panel with a 23% high efficiency conversion rate. It also has dual layer EVA impact resistant panels to protect the panel. And it's got a sturdy, stabilized backsheet for longer service life. Whether you're heading out for a camping trip, hiking, outdoor ventures, or in need for a backup power source, the MHPOWOS 40-watt solar panel is an essential daily use product that I highly recommend. It's compatible with 99% of your portable power packs. It's very versatile, and it's a reliable power backup solution. It has 3 to 4 different charging ports, DC output, USB-C, and USB-A. It's a very budget-friendly and portable power solution. If you're looking for a reliable solar panel to pair with your portable power station, this is a must-have. It's compact, lightweight, and foldable. It's easy to carry, store, and transport. It's eco-friendly and cost-saving, utilizing clean, renewable solar energy for outdoor and emergency use.
It's charging.
$28 watts, look at that.
Yeah.
Pushing some power in that little guy.
Yeah, it is.
So 40 watts is maximum power on that. Maximum voltage would be 19 volts. Maximum power is 2 amps. And it's a 24 volt panel. Currently charging on one of the DC cables. There's 6 different cables you can charge from. So you got the most common XT60. And then this is a pretty common DC cable to charge with. And there's also, you can even charge with your cell phone off of this, which is pretty neat. So not only does the 40-watt solar panel charge our EcoFlow River Pro 2, it also charges our Blue Eddy AC180. So that's 2 different major brands of power packs that this will charge, each using different cables. This one's using a DC cable. The EcoFlow used the XT60 cable. And then next, there's even a third pretty cool way you can use the panel to charge something with. We'll have to show you that one next. It's perfect for on-the-go charging. Easily charge your smartphones, tablets, and other devices anytime, anywhere. Thanks to the MHPOWOS 40-watt solar panel. Set your panel back up on my phone. And we are charging, folks. Let's see if it comes in. Not only can it charge your cell phone, anything that takes a USB-C cable, you can charge camera, GPS unit, drones. So pretty convenient if you're out backpacking, you're out in the wilderness, you have your lightweight little 40-watt panel, because this weighs nothing, so it's easily packable and you can traverse with it and travel with it. It doesn't take up much space, doesn't weigh a lot, and you'll be able to charge multiple devices without having to carry around a power station. So it's another pretty sweet option. You can charge your cell phone and any USB-C things right off of it. Portable fans for camping, lighting, all sorts of stuff. I mean, there's so many versatile things, and it's so tiny and it's so portable and it folds up that it's super convenient to have it with you. So should be an amazing little product for the property. Plug things in while you're using it and get trickle charges out of things, or plug things in, set it down, walk away and forget about it, and you come back and you got charge. So pretty neat. The nice part is on the back side of the panel, it's got a little zipper pouch, and it comes stock with your cables. So this comes with the panel when you order it, so you're gonna have 6 different ways to charge it, different connections. A 7th one will be your cell phone USB-C. So all that comes in a nice convenient cord, and then you can wrap your cord up and you can set it inside the pouch here, zip everything up, fold it up. And like I said, convenient, lightweight, it's got everything you need, all contained. It only weighs like, I don't know, I think a couple pounds, doesn't weigh much. You also have little carabiners that come in here, so if you want to hook carabiner to one of the rivets here, hang it up somewhere, up out of the way. So super convenient packaging and nice durable little outdoor panel. Let's get the power station charging.